Yep, let's make some money here. All right, good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive straight into key market insights. Today, there are a lot to cover. I'll be going a little bit faster. All right, S&P 500, this is what we were expecting. So right here, when it dropped to 635, we knew it. This will go. Our first price target was 647.98. We are hitting all-time high right in this area. If you look at this channel, so our initial sell-off trigger was 668.50. That's what we are looking. If we are breaking all-time high, the first price target will be monitoring 658.96, and second price target will be monitoring around 668. That's what we are looking. So right now we are bullish. Let the market fly. There are a few more days green. Most likely Tuesday we will see the red day. Until Tuesday, so today is Friday, Monday, bullish. Tuesday we have to be careful. All right. So moving forward to AI, this is what we were looking at. VSA candle right in this area, this VSA candle. Okay, what we are looking at, the market will go take the liquidity upside and the downside, and then the stock will go up. All right. So upside liquidity has been taken. There is a possibility of retesting this price right in this area, which is 15.18, the opening of this candle. Okay, this is the real possibility, 15.18, and then we will shoot up upside. So if you see 15.18, jump in to buy and then ride all the way back to 18 to 19 area. Okay, this is the area that we'll be looking at. So let me open the chart. This is the first price target we'll be looking at in this area, which is 18 plus. So 15.18 all the way to 18.88. So $3 and around 70 cents. That's the range we are looking to trade. Moving forward to Amazon, we are bullish. It's time to exit all the trade and book the profit, which we took right in this area. So book the profit, exit all trade on Amazon. There's a lot of upside, but we need a little bit of correction on the 4-hour time frame. You see the death cross, stock is overbought. We are about to go through a little bit of correction back into 20 to 225 area. Okay, so exit, book the profit, and out. BMNR, continue shorting the put on this one. Do not buy the share. Okay, this will take a little longer. June 2026, short the put, collect the premium. The previous short put are in profit. Will continue holding our first price target with 55, second price target 60, all-time high. We are all out. Second price target most likely will be out, and we don't want to trade after this. 60.28. This is the price target. Will be out. We'll close all the share, trade, short put, long call, everything right in this area. After that, it goes to $1,000. None of our business. So we want to trade from 41 all the way to 60, and we are done. Moving forward to bulls, 2 times yesterday and day before yesterday, I told you this is on the sale. Grab as much as possible. We bought it twice. 1298, continue holding your stock for 15.64. This is the range we are looking to trade. So from 1276 to 54, this trend line, third rejection at 15.64, retrace back into 1454, and then shoot up towards 18 area. So from here, we are going to 15.64, then we'll pull back into 14.54 to 14.20, retest 200 EMA right in this area, and then shoot up upside again towards 18. At 18 will be out. This wave will finish in that area. CLSK, the only way to trade this stock is leap call for January 2027 as much as possible. BMNR already done, my friend. I just did. Okay, short put only on BMNR. All right. So moving forward, 927, leap call January 2027, nothing else. Do not buy the share. On the top, you can go long synthetic, you can short the put, buy the long call, and $0 investment and double profit. So that's how you trade this stock. Short the put, buy the leap call from the same money, sit tight, enjoy the dollar. Chipotle Mexican, good to buy the stock. This is the stock that you want to buy the share. This is where you want to put your capital and hold your position for 2 to 3 months. Okay. So right here in this area, 41, we are looking to exit anywhere from 47 to 51 area. We'll hold one. Right now, stock is negative. So what we are doing, we are buying a small position, and then any further drop, we'll buy another small position. What we are looking at, equal low right in this area, break equal high. This is the price target. 44.23, so another $3 right here, and we are out quickly, in and out. Okay, so buy the share, hold for 44.27, you are out. Coin, 3 days I was saying buy, 295.44, that was our buy. We are holding the trade. Right now we have the team across, the EMA cross here, and the price is above 50 EMA. The price will shoot up towards 322, retest a little bit at 322, and then shoot up. We are super bullish on coin. We are going 400 plus. There is a lot of money to be made on this one. All right, FIG, yes. Okay, so coin everyone should have a trade on the coin right now. Okay. Moving forward to Circle, we have been bearish since the 240 area. We are still bearish on this one. We are looking for 109, 108 area. Till then, stay clear. Do not buy this. Around 108, 109 area will take the entry. So we are waiting on Circle to pull back. Since here, I have been saying wait since $119. I know that where this shit is going. If you do the MMC right in this area, this thing, and then drag it here. So there is a lot of downside on this one. Worst case, $67, but I don't think so it will go that much, okay? Because there is one pivot coming here, right? This one. This is the pivot that I'm interested in. So this one, this is where my buy is, okay? Till then, I'm waiting. I don't want to trade Circle until it come to 106. 107, like $1 plus minus, I will open the entry, because not necessarily that it will go to the pinpoint to the exact that one, but this is the area that I will open the position. Till then, stay clear of Circle. Keep an eye. This is your watch out stop. You are watching right now. CRWV, we have the share, we have the in the money covered call for $85, and we have the OTM covered call for $150. No matter what happens in this world, we will make money on CRWV and we'll make some big dollars. So continue holding your trade. Share with the in the money covered call and OTM long call on this one. HIMS, perfect. All our trade are in the profit. We have been booking on the profit. This is how you trade VSA candle right in this area. We have the ultra high volume candle right in this area. We have this spread candle. I'll expand this spread candle, which had the wick top and the bottom. Mark the high of this one. As long as the price is going up, let it ride. Okay. Do not disturb this. Let it go to 100. Do not disturb your trade. But this is your stop loss trailing. Okay. So you are holding the trade. Do not let the price fall back below 47.29. If the price comes to 47.29, all out, all trade, doesn't matter what. As long as it's keep going up, let the dollar printing 47.29, you are out, because if once we come back to 47.29, straight we will go to 44, 43, 43.96. Okay. So 47.29, you are out, and will keep trailing this upside when the stock keep going like this one. Okay. You can also trail to the last candle bottom right in this area and let it run. Okay, there's a lot of upside on this one. Moving forward to Mara. Mara is back in the area. Go uncovered, close all profit on the covered call. Okay, what we are looking at, we are looking for the recovery from here all the way to eventually we will go to $22. Okay, so what we are doing, the next candle, green, you'll see the recovery towards the $17. At $17 we'll go covered again. Right now, go uncovered, book the profit on the covered call and sit tight. Moving forward to MSTR. Yesterday, we had a conversation in the group and I clearly mentioned have some faith. Okay. Our first price target downside when we sold at 455. Our first price target was 450 when we sold. Our first price target was 381.90. That's where we started the short put. Then we took the second price target, which was 329.80. And the third price target was 319.08. 319.08 managed to hold. Now, what we are looking at, we are looking for 359.54 minimum. Okay. And then we decide right in this area, this trend line, which is coming from the higher to the lower high to the third lower high right in this area. This is the price target we are looking at. Most likely, this is where we'll see the rejection. The price will continue. We have the TMA bullish cross. We have the 50 EMA cross. We have the linear regression shooting a Fibonacci level. Most likely what you will see a candle here, 348 to here. You'll see a wick like this one. I'll leave this on the chart just to show you in a few days down the line. Okay, this is the candle that you are looking. There will be a wick and a rejection. The next candle will reject, which is at 359.54. Next candle will reject and retrace back into 350 before going up. So right here, 359.54, there will be a rejection with the wick, long wick, like this kind of candle. If I show you something like this, okay, or something like this kind of candle, the big green body with a long wick. Okay, this is what you will see at 359. Price retrace back into 348. Right at 359 will be going covered, selling all the covered call possible. 348 will go uncovered and then ride into wave 3. Okay, moving forward to Nvidia, good for the bullish scalp. Okay, buy the share, sell the scalp, sell the share for $2 to $3 day trade. This is not the buy and hold stock at this point. Buy every dip on 15 minutes, sell every jump on 15-minute time frame. So if you are looking at here, equal high, equal low, 15-minute time frame, you have a spinning candle. This is where you buy. Okay, so scalping, bullish scalping. So right here, you buy the share, golden cross, oversold, price spin, buy at 169, exit at 171.99, $2, and you are done. Again, wait for the retracement. This is how you trade. Do not buy and hold Nvidia. It's a perfect day trading stock. RIVN, we took the exit precise where we wanted. Okay, right here we took the exit in the wick. Not many people in the world can do that. You see this box? This was our exit. This. We took an exit right here. This wick. Above this black line. Okay. Now, what we are looking at, 15.1 was our exit. And the next exit will be 15.45. Little bit higher up of the Fibonacci 1.68 level. We'll exit right at 15.45. Price is spinning. We are looking for the next candle to be green and bullish. Okay, wave 5 to finish. 15.45 will be out of all the trade. Okay, why did I take the exit? I think I covered it yesterday. This is your ultra high volume candle. This week, above that, there was a liquidity sweep, a swap. Okay, not sweep, swap. This was swap. And that's where we took the exit and out. All right. So good to buy the stock, good to short the put. Okay, we have a short put for June and January 26 and June 2026. We have collected the premium, and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll be in profit on all those trades. Lululemon, perfect. Stock is oversold. You can buy the stock right in this area, 165 area, and hold for 204, 205 area. Okay, around $40 you can trade. But make sure, do not buy in your trading account. Do not block your capital. Go for IRA, TFSA, 401k, and all those Roth IRA and all this. So buy and hold approach. Buy the share, hold for 2 to 3 months, and let the stock recover to 204. $40, you are out. Okay. So good to buy the share here. Or if you are in a trading account, short the put. Short the put long dated for June 28, 2016, 18 June 2026, ATM put and collect the premium, and that's it. Then let it recover. This is your ultra high volume candle, VSA candle. Anything below this tick, okay? Anything below this point, which is 173, is a lottery. Anything under 173 is a good buy, okay? And minimum, this is where the price will go before the next sell start, 202.38. This is where the sell liquidity is. This is where the liquidity swap will happen again. Right at this wick, right in this area. And this is where the buyer will jump in. Buyer will not buy right now, okay? Where we are at 165, the buyer will come at 190. So this is where the buyer will come, because this wick, the buyer pushed it all the way to here, means this is where the buyer will jump. So if you are buying at 165, buyer will join you at 190. You all out at 202. Good trade. SMCI, very similar setup to the coin which I mentioned 2-3 days back. The breakout is about to happen. We have a TMA bullish cross, this trend line, sharp trend line. When you see the sharp trend line, there is a 99% chance the trend breaks. Okay. If anything which is generally considered anything about 34.5% angle, like more sharp than 34.5 angle, the trend line, that's when the trend line breaks. Okay, that is non-sustainable trend line, any deep trend line. What we are looking at, we are looking for a breakout from here straight into POC line, point of control, 45.34, 46 area, and then we'll decide what will happen. Equal high to these 2 points right in this area. So this is the area that we are looking at, and after that we will decide. So first we'll let the stock ride to this area. Right now we are concerned only to this area, 45.34 to 46 area. This is what we want. Once we reach to 46, then we will see how we are trading this one moving forward. And Cardona 100% bullish. We have a breakout of this TMA 50 EMA bullish all the way to 0.90. We are holding this time the trade for 1.42. Okay, 1.41 I think. So do not exit your trade on Cardona. Hold for $1.41. Okay, our buy was 0.78. Algorand, our buy was 0.2232. We are holding for 0.55. First price target will be 0.37. Second price target will be 0.55. We are holding the trade. We are not looking to trade on Algorand and Cardona this time. Bitcoin, how can it not go up when we draw the line right in this area? Wave number 1, wave number 2, wave number 3, inverted head and shoulder per precise dip into 0.618, a Fibonacci retracement. This confirmed the wave 3 has started on the 4-hour time frame. We are heading into 117,000. Right at 117,000, you'll see the pullback. Boom, back into 113, 114 area. Okay, so clear bullish. We have a bullish breakout on the TMA. All candle are above the TMA. Close your eyes and let it ride. Bitcoin to 117,000. Moving forward to Solana. Any dip is a buy close to 194, 195 area. I was looking to get an entry around 182. We could not get it. We missed the trade right in this area. We have traded multiple times. Solana from 145 to 170, 150 to 190, then 168 to 206. We have been trading. We've been doing fantastic from 168 to 213. So there are multiple trades. We have taken a solid profit. This time we missed it right in this area. I was looking for an entry at 182. I'm still hoping that we get the entry 182. Okay, because we are in a down channel right in this area. If I show you the channel, this is what it looks like. So one more drop will be a gift on Solana, something like this, like it have a rejection here and then pull back into 190 area right here and then shoot up. So we are in kind of a bull flag. So one more drop will be a lottery. If we miss, we miss it. We can't do anything. We are not buying at 210. Okay. Moving forward to Tesla. All right, what we are looking at. So we are breaking out of this particular candle I was interested in. This green spinning, we break out. We have a failed ellipse. It means the price is not going here. Now we are looking upside. 355.40. If this candle failed, this particular candle failed, this was the candle that the seller could have taken over and bring the price back into 318. So right now what we are looking at the chart, we clearly see double top chart happening. So this one, if I show you here, so this is the bottom, this is the leg one, double top like this one. So right now we are not concerned about this one, point number 4. Right now we are looking at this one, equal high 355.44. okay, right in this area. So a little bit down, this is what we are looking. Okay, so 354 area, which is a critical resistance. If you remember, we sold our share at 355.83. This is the area. So this is not one time, there is a multiple resistance coming from here. This is where we took the exit. You see, there are multiple resistance in this area, 354 area. So we'll be watching at 354 what will happen. It's a perfect stop. We are trading. We are not buying and holding. We are trading continuously back to back. So bullish scalp all the way to 355.40 and then we are out. Okay, so from here another $6 bullish scalping. Moving forward to wicks, what we are looking at, we have a sell side spread candle. Most likely the wicks has hit the bottom at this area. This is the bottom on the wicks. Okay, and it will recover from here. Okay, so a little bit of liquidity sweep possible, but look at this. It's a perfect setup for the market to sell off on the S&P 500 on Tuesday. Tuesday sell off, wicks to bounce on Tuesday. There is a perfect setup. Do not get greedy because the market is green and everything is flying. Okay, right here there is a perfect setup for the market to pull back on Tuesday. Okay, nothing on Monday. So today and tomorrow trade bull. Tuesday, be careful. All right, my friend, who is this? FIG. Okay, we also have the FIG trade. Actually, we are holding at loss a little bit on this trade. Okay, we are waiting for the recovery. Right now, I don't see a recovery. What we have? Do we have this particular candle I'm interested in? This is what we are looking at. Okay, right in this area. This is what your spread candle is right here. Okay, so what we are looking at, the price must come back to 58.40 before the buyer will jump in. Right now we have the heavy selling pressure. If you look at the sell side volume, red, the volume is dying slowly. So means sell side volume is the people are getting exhausted. The seller are getting exhausted, and soon the price will see the recovery. Okay, it's a new IPO. Sometime you need to understand, it's very difficult to analyze the stock on a new IPO because there is not enough data. There is nothing. There is no trend. There is nothing. Okay, right here, look, 200 EMA has not even started because there is no 200 candle, right? So there is no, the 200 EMA doesn't even exist. Even the 50 EMA started right here. So there is not enough data on this one to analyze, but we will hold our position. Okay, we also have few share which will continue holding for recovery. Most likely what I feel, let me run the wave and I'll see. FIG. All right. Okay. What we are looking at, 40.71 is the bottom on this one, and then we start the recovery. So we have a wave 3 downside, which is 40.70. So do not try to buy it here. Let it tank a little bit more. Anything 40.70 area you buy. First price target 53.55. We already hit that one. Second price target 40.71, and then recovery towards $78. Okay. So from 40.71, it will go back to $78. So wait for 40.78 before you average out or you do anything with FIG. Hold your trade. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see the Discord member in the Discord. We are focused on coin, Tesla, bull, and focus on bull and coin especially. Yeah. Also pay close attention to CLSK leap call. All right. Thanks. Bye.